Aligned with Toyota's Global 2020 vision, TKM's corporate social responsibility is making sustainable efforts, focusing on areas including skill development, road safety, education, environment, and health and hygiene. Bidadi is a simple town, and the people who dwell in it, simple people. Until recently, villagers in Bidadi were not aware of the presence of various contaminants in their drinking water due to the presence of the Bairamangala lake. The company has been actively organizing health camps in villages, focusing on eye, skin, orthopedic, and general health checkups. Over 3,500 students and 1,500 people have been benefited by these initiatives. During these camps, TKM realized that this is not a remedy to the problem and the challenges lied elsewhere.
In and around Bidadi area, people are suffering from water contamination due to Bairamangala Lake.
TKM decided to establish a large-scale, sustainable, community-based water purification units at 6 different locations in partnership with the Gram Panchayat.
ನಮಗೆ 20 ಲೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ 30 ರೂಪಾಯಿನಂಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿನಂಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಐತೆ. ಅನುಕೂಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೈತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲೂ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೈತೆ. ಟೊಯೋಟಾದವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದು ಅನುಕೂಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೈತೆ ನಮಗೆ.
These different units became a source for clean drinking water for 45 villages, which today benefits 50,000 villages. TKM also aims at creating 100% defecation-free villages and has built 500 toilets in domestic households to enable this. Under the Swachh Bharat, Swachh Vidyalaya Abhiyan, TKM has also been instrumental in spreading awareness for sanitation.
ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂದೆ ಶೌಚಾಲಯ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಶೌಚಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ.
TKM has built 500 units, and as a part of this initiative, 25,000 students are benefited.
We are striving to build meaningful communities and be rewarded with a smile.